Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing kind of like a demonstration of how to actually create a Navigo. I don't know how you pronounce it. Decouverte pass. This is like the weekly passes that let you go on all the metros and all the trains and all the buses here in Paris, France. So I was having a hard time doing this and figuring it out. I finally did because I'm getting a bunch of them. But just want to quickly show how it's done so other people can have an idea. So this is what comes with it. As you can see here, this is the protective case, the actual card itself, and then this thing here. And if you can see here how it opens and closes, on this part here, you would write your name here, first and last name, uppercase, and then this thing has like kind of like a protective film. I'll try to see if you could see. You basically peel it off, and what you're gonna affix here and put on here is a picture. It's a 3 centimeter tall by 2.5 centimeter wide picture of yourself. And then after you put your name and you put your picture on this thing here, let's see if I can try to get it to separate. It's kind of hard to figure it out. Okay, so basically you can see here how this part will get tear off, and you can start exposing the film cover on the other side, because what you're gonna do after is basically fold it over and then cover up your picture along with your name. Okay, then after you would have it, I'm not doing it yet because I haven't put the name in the picture. You basically put these two together, make sure it lines up with the numbers, and then you would insert it into the plastic sleeve here with basically the Navigo on the non-perforated side, or the one that doesn't have the holes. The picture would be on this side, at least from what they told me when I bought these. That's how you're supposed to do it, so that's how I'm going to do it. And then you just tap basically whatever train station, metro, or bus that you are within the Paris, France area. So I hope this video helps you out. Let me know what you think about in the comments, questions or anything, or I could try to explain about my experiences. This is my first time here in Paris, France, so thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. All right, thank you very much.